Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Take?
Nanaya.
Eti say.
Nyame adom nanaya omeda wase na mamensa enchia etiefo bio. So we dey toko side demonstration toko so ewo tamale
ehwa na me dey sha ase
na ye dey sha ase nanaya oyɛ na no memenda Ghana fo a omobonyo eniema bi a Ghana abato komisan epese oyɛ no te omo ho egu monten so ye kyerɛ kɛse a efiri sɛ mani frɛ die minhu bi ɛwɔ Ghana hada na ye frɛ ne toko sai Kalimfoli demonstration a ɛkɔ so wɔ Tamale na wo hwɛ sɛ ne nipa epie free montene so wo hwɛ sɛ ne Ghana fo ye kyerɛ wo hwɛ ahokekama ne mema nkokrafo abubuafo sɛbi ne wɔne a ye frɛ omo physically challenge fo nyina edi mu akotene a na kyerɛ sɛ dwumadi a abato komisan pɛsɛ wodie no Ghana fo ebo enyoso ti ma memfa akwanya we na memfa enchia sronko emma the interparty resistance against the new voters register PNC for eka ho PPP for ka ho because regional executives of PPP no bi ekasa ewo ho CPP F4 enso ka ho Eagle Party eka ho APC eka ho UFP eka ho na NDC na ya no bi bebusa se die nti kra na NDC ede ne ho akodom saa nipakuo yi se register yi sise won ba be ye no mprempren no wo mo entiase mame enkasisi sudua na ya se NDC amanyoko yenim se 2020 election a ekoi se yekoto no wiemu o se yekoto no poase o sebi son sebi nyaado se na nado yire Rebecca Akufo-Addo kra be ye electoral commissioner na ne nua Ken Ofori-Atta be ye deputy kra 2020 elections ne be win nti NDC ye nhyeda anyhow bia ba ade ba ko ya no bring mu a enu nti ama ye kutia saa ade yi eye one the financial implication, the financial burden that irrational decision of the EC brings to major political stakeholders like the NDC. Eya mpempino ya na amanfo emo madwene nkoho. Nana ya EC ade ya osi obeye. NDC say ye wo sikase ni sikase ye dwa buom say ye kwa nyina. E wo say ye kope nipa enum a omo begina ya nam over 30,000 polling stations yi si wo betwere din no nana ya wutie me wo kope nipa num a omo begina wa nam over 30,000 polling stations yi si se oba betwere din no na dwentwere no eya na ye 40 days to 60 days ente ye 60 days nipa num a wo be fa omo de bia no sa wo mark obi a 20 cities de bia no 100 Ghana times 30,000 times 40 days or 60 days sika twitwiri dia na say sika botene a sabi ne pe enye pena. It's one of the reasons why the NDC is against the voters register is the financial burden meba
mpato me chawade komo ene kasa o kasa ne pe enye pena na je se ne pena efu
ne pe ye pena me da say ne pe eye pena, especially when the electoral commission no ankasa ba abontia beka say register e wo ho sesi no credible nana ya osameboa jema baba ye maame Jane Mensa ba abontin abeka say register e wo sesi no credible owura bi a owo yi sese no omo na ye omo director of IT Mr. Tete enzo say register no credible na say register no credible a esi den yes fa o man sika twitwiri di e de akoye register nana ya usade we me dwene ho a menti ase eni adwene ankasa enye dai enko because I was say yet ase ni enti a the current electoral system biometric system no wo ho imprempren obeka ya mre bi atwa no na ye twire din a biometric features no na ye nyusu enti ni obi timi register wo Kumase no asa akọ Tamale akọ register obi wu a obi timi to aba ma no obi timi to aba mienu enom ne ade. And after 2008 election, the first institution I shall see spearheaded the need for a biometric register was Dankwa Institute at the time led by Gabi Asario Chredakun. Say, and one of the reasons why they canvassed for the biometric register Nanaya was say 10 years bia now 5 years bia you see a change register. But say biometric register there, you benya a credible register. Was say updating periodically say better about because biometric features say so be the nsa see afidie so na capture owu a ordinary dey echo into obi ntimi nkoto aba ma no say obi register wo Kumase na osako register wo Tamale ye duplication be dey be na pie. So the biometric system will cure the inherent flaws in our electoral system. In 2012 ye boka edisika twitwiri di koye dey eko share saade mu ye dia share saade ye dia elections mienu national elections mienu nana ya wutie me national election 2012 and 2016 in which power has alternated between the two major political parties. Ye dia district assembly elections mienu ye dia referendum bako. So the current electoral role and as the current electoral system is one of the best in the world. Nanaya, overkai the current electoral role the first time and as the worst performance was in 2012 because after Nanaya share adie na say enti adie no na yam perfect ye and until na 2012 elections no ye to aba no mu be ye mienu ana ye to aba no mu na mienu enom ne ade but a free hawk the best performance of the current electoral system according to the electoral commission district assembly elections 2019 system no enya 99.4% success rate. Nana ya uche me 99.4% success rate out of about 5.4 million people omo to abano omo de manual verification to abano ye 34,000 percentage wise na 0.4%. In the system bia ho na effective 99% is effective. The system is largely credible. Nana ya and na ye ka say country what the best electoral system in terms of biometrics India. India omo combine iris and fingerprint authentication technology no mo dey omo kra no omo was success rate of 94%. Omo error margin of 4%. So the current elect system ye one Ghana ha per the 2019 district assembly is one of the district assembly election is one of the most credible in the world based on his in one kasa statistics or the other. Abrofu wa asemi omoka. Omo say if it is not broken, don't fix it. Nana ya watare na ehye no sente ya menyi ni se obeka se wo pam. Na asemi omoka me de me dwene ho a mentumi ntiase.
Ba metuma to bi aka.
That so answer ubetumi atobi aka meba ho. Ubetumi atobi aka ho. But atare ente ya ompam. Otiase. But adia omoka medwene ho amenti ase o ma introduce a new term in the electoral lexicon of Ghana. Say the current electoral rule is overstretched, whatever that means. Whatever that means. Na me medwene ho amenti ase ne se nana yawo e bia nei me ho abaya bia me pesa me ware no abaya no ne mpokuya sisi so kama se bi na tofu gina so ena ma ware no na me ne te emfie du atwam wa wo be ye nsia wo nsia no sa niam ani nyina no aye overstretch eno nti no na sa abaya na wo sa me to ne twene ana
na nya overstretch ya na so nti ase
me adabi me dia me se me so me de call ma adwene mu no sa na me hu no se uyu so ade e che ne sei dia ene enka niam bebre wo kroma wo se ye tubu
abaso mi so ase ba ko ne mfa nto ankomo twu
da bi nkomo no de e na ya afa kra ne ye be koye nim
that's the time to base me na me moderate nti be so de nya
many problem
na no last week ya wada me ne Dr. Srebo ko hwehwe komo ha na asem ne se sa register for free omo ba be yi first no facial detection on ka ho se so omo de ba be ka ho and verification device na ho dada no any features for that na me bisa say any features adam upgrade o ma example say bia or yam phone na camera nim na fe o pese what they have for nutra camera is upgrade the koto camera be any year from the word go. Enti eno nye first ncheche
nana ya de yisi no years ese na ye say sabi wo na okramai wo fie na wo pesa wo ton no mankofo bi be fa no kokunire na wo pa asem de ahye okramai no nti kramai ne nam ne ba bi kra okramai we de o ha adwen dodo kramai we de o keka amanfo kramai we de o hwehwe amanfo nkwa na brofo say in order if you want to hang a dog you first must give him a bad name. And no near idea is in here, but the more they do that, the more they expose themselves. One. Mose Makofa consultants via or more technicians or my feasibility studies. I'm who say the current system no. I was here no. Why are you not making the report public? Why is the EC? What is so confidential? What is it? A classified document? To the extent that the major political party Kromoko IPAC no, I didn't think I'm making it public so that we can all read the report. Yet last week, UTV, or see another reason until more register. Say there are dead people on the road. Nana, can you imagine? Say nipa bia wo register ne so enti chenchenchen was here say register no. Now when the catcher also register for na obey ndi nipa enwu. Enti na just embre bia no e wo se e kope o man sika botina e betimi ya use no for ade foforo na e de koye register na e bia o se ade ba ko nti o mo say ye register ye say district assembly elections no a o mo koto ye no ukọ KNUS ya Unity Hall polling station na nipa 800 e wo ho no obi anto aba wo ho enti e no ye justification to compile a new voters register. First of all, Nanayaw, there are 30,000 polling stations in Ghana now. And this is a kotuaba, na polling station ba ko bi an kotuaba. And no your justification to cancel the over 29,000 polling stations a year juma effectively na. We can do better than this. Now, wape ehunu nientia nipa 800 a wo KNUS no bi an to aba na. Ye wo nipa bebre wo ho a mobile school or mawie school 4 years near no muko omukrum obi a wokọ ne krom bia no se obetumi akwa voter transfer se wo se nipa ewu register no ne so a se register ne so no there is some self remedial measures embedded in the EC system yetimi de expunge the names of dead people. Why is the EC not putting money in advertising those methods? Now, adia ba kwa message no ho amenti ase ye all of a sudden the MPP has become the PR consultants of the Electoral Commission. To the extent that there is this MPP guy or bi against the compilation of the voters register. Yes, ya fasa ade no e de akoto ne official website as its official position. I think the current EC is the worst that we have had in terms of competence, in terms of even management of the administrative processes of the Electoral Commission. And some no more can broli Santifo Beka say enfra unhu assemnity na unhu ne nan. The other issue are Nanaya
how this form no
nipa bebre are raising including CDD, including Imani Ghana, and just yesterday including Gabi Asare Ochredakun. Is the issue of timing. The issue of timing. We have 10 months to an election. As we speak, the EC does not have a vendor. The procurement processes no that's why procurement processes no because we are vendor choose no. He also needs about 2 months to set up an IT infrastructure to conduct the registration processes. Well, yes, sir, at the end of the year, it was a system no day or testing. And also be 1 month. What pilot system now you know? Ye registration for about 2 months. Ye registration we are. Yes, be ya dia bia. Your friend did duplication. Or ye did duplication we are. Or be exhibition. Or ye exhibition we are because it's a new system. No, I find that yes, you know, be share political parties. No training political parties. No, na political parties. No, so I call for my day. I call training agents. And anyway, okay, come see 2012 registration nibi but the refi amon kan won say 2012 registration na you know all the procurement processes was completed in 2011 all you can verify from the EC. All the procurement processes was completed by May 2011. By November 2012, November 2011, the contract was signed.
Okay, tell me you did 2012.
And yet, the mistake amount for March.
March. As someone may be sound, may say, okay, time why you
May started.
You have to get your
May and a shall say the
May.
According to Rakabila, maybe the name free say a shall say I think March, April, May, Muho. But
one didn't try the March, April, May, Jordan.
Now, you're trying to say. You're trying to say. Anyway, mass registration, the minimum period I had here 40 days. So weekends we need free more 44 days. Mass registration. We are not talking about limited registration. Wow. The procurement processes has not been completed. And it's a your system I tried and tested. System I my presidents me system my acquire referendum yes is 96% success rate. Also to system naturally aqua system be ban credibility won't mean voucher. Is it not a recipe for chaos?
My final question is why na e wo ho kwan say o kire say ye hia register for na say ye hia register
on say sa asem no Ghana for na wo ho kwan say o mo kire say ye hia register for na ye hia register for na wo kan people put up some very feeble argument about the independence of the EC. There come on Matthias and say the independence of the EC is not absolute. It's conditional.
So you think the independence of the EC is feeble?
And the EC is independent into betting me say 4 years Diana yes one share so me and 4 years betting me draw back me independent into me and abana. And under the directive principles of state policy, there is a thing about the judicious use of state resources. And to say Bible crack can see what dey nyina ho kwan nya dey nyina na fata yen. Peace FM building we yes CIC we. Peace FM building yes ni fefefe si wa enya mfie dui. And next obi be argue say ye mu buno because a dan fefefe bia be wo say ye sin wa ha. People will argue say there may be something wrong with him because if something is not broken, you don't try to fix it. And the idea can say inter-party resistant coalition. Nyamepa 21st you kokuma say you say ba and crying. The person you might see no say the power of the people is far more stronger and potent than the people in power. Nyantina ho and money pack a crabby because of their actions and inaction. Look at how members of the EC look at how members of the EC conduct themselves. We've had instances where a whole deputy EC commissioner like Bosman Asare take an entrenched position against a certain political party. We've had instances where the EC deputy commissioner openly canvass support for the position of government. Nana, do you think it bode well for the neutrality and the impartiality of the ECI in Nigeria? Nana, the course I choose they econo is a good cause for Ghana. Muma yen na day yensom send CDD Imani and our late Gabia Sari Ocheda Kokra Abekano. Yanya ni sasa ni beya Ghana yen na ebenya ya sum jemedase.
Mesomedase papa mami ni James Kwabna.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.